Hi folks. So today we're gonna see how to raise a case with Red Hat for any kind of issues like OpenShift or OSP or some another products, Ansible or whatever in your environment. So you can raise a ticket with Red Hat and we can get a support from them. So basically, in this video we're gonna see we how we can approach Red Hat for the OpenShift issues. So usually for a Linux issue with application or platform side, we will generate SOS report and we will upload in the support. As similar in OpenShift, we will do the same kind of thing. Instead of SOS, it's in a common kind of entire like that machine logs, debug logs, or whatever events it will collect and do a package, zip or whatever, and it will give. In OpenShift, there is a different part, must gather. It's there, so it will collect all the cluster events, logs, and status of the operators, clusters, and whatever. It will give a overview to debug. So that's the thing. So we're gonna see how to generate the must gather and inspect the namespace. So especially if power is down or any not communicating with some another namespace, usually they will ask for second um, report after you uploaded muscather. They will ask for one more debugging file like that, namespace inspector zip file or the logs. In the case we want to share that too, it may easy to debug. So we're gonna see that too. Okay. Um, so just a minute. Okay, guys, we're gonna see how to generate the logs, must gather everything. So this is a CRC environment. So I'm gonna use to log in PowerShell. So similar way of work only we gonna do in the live or production environment. Once we logged into the cluster, okay. So we are in the home directory. So just a simple command, ocamd must gather. So in same directory I want. So I don't want to redirect to any other directory. So just here. So sometimes what will happen, it will cancel the job. So we should not face that, means we can give the timeout seconds. So source directory where we want to keep or only particular namespace we want to get or image. So we'll go with the timeout command. Okay, it started to collect. So as you see, it's a CRC environment, so it not require much time to collect, and operators also 10 to 20 something. See here itself we're getting errors. that got generated. So we can see here must gather. So that's it. We want to make a zip or achieve that, and we can share it to the customer like Redhat. So we record cluster ID and versions also. Okay. So and for namespace, particular namespace we facing an issue, then collect them to. So everything seems good. We'll delete the allowed manager. I think it will recreate. Okay, jetting pod and slicing running. It's created 6 containers also. So namespace OpenShift monitoring. OC ADM inspect. Inspect ns slash namespace name. Paste it. Okay, we'll type it now. Show OpenShift monitoring. Okay, it will start to collect the logs. It will be a simple file. You can see here inspect local. Okay, we collected them. So where it will be, so downloads not zip, home, user name, and here it got saved. So we can make it zip, compress, zip or tar, whatever. Done. Okay, we'll make it zip. So here we can, if we have idea for our ideology, we can explore this too. So we can open Chrome itself. So what inside? So like this, they will debug. So in the namespace cluster version, nothing happened. Ingress failed scheduling. So one of one is ready, can't schedule. So see a lot of failures are there. So they will get some idea with our issue, what we are elaborating, what we will give description like pod got failed, it's in error state, and they want to know in which namespace. They can understand here a lot of failures are there, and particularly which namespace it's running. They should get some extra details, then they can easily debug them. The perspective, they require more for the particular namespace, they should get the details, and they will reply in the same cases. So like this second page, so see a lot of errors we can, logs and events we can notice, right? So how it's behaved. See pulling image and mount failed in the particular network node identify in that pod, so it can't mount. So this is the event view, and for namespace also we can see, can inspect that, go event filter in that particular namespace. So what events are there? See, similar TLS certificate can't mount, that mount or that Ethernet adapter. So okay, so this is the way of debugging. They will uh, use like this, and they will get some idea. Yes, so now we're gonna see how to upload these logs. So similar how we doing for other product, similar for OpenShift. This is my personal account. This is not an official account. Okay, this one don't have subscription also, but if we raise the case, it will stag somewhere. But however, I don't understand. But how come these options are available? That's fine. We will go up to the ticket raise and we will cancel it. See, bug or defect. See the product. They suggest Ansible, that portal. Okay, we will give Ansible collection something, and bug with. Here you can see platform, OpenShift container something version on. Let's see version, which version we are having. We want to select that, and I want to describe the issue or error. So it will suggest, Redhat AI will suggest some document. Can go with that, or see failed monitoring namespace or Prometheus, whatever. So we should give appropriate exact. See Prometheus monitoring is okay, and we can go on next. That's it. It will ask for file, additional information configuration. So here we want to drop. So we should go for our user, user J, and what we did, the zip, both we should upload. So that's it, 19 MB. So in production or some other environment, it will be 10 GB or more than that. How old that cluster, that much logs will be presented. We should be careful with that, and we want to upload them, right? So analyzing, and we want to give continue, and we can get the Redhat case number, and it will very easy to follow up. And so I want to cancel this. Okay, we don't want to continue here. Okay, once done, we want to give continue. We will get the Redhat case number, everything, and support cases. See here, support cases, and take the number, and here we can, it will appear here. Okay, get support. See, usually we want to go in this way, open a new case, and it will redirect to that page, and we will go on with this. Okay, see, recent session, what we did, everything will be there. That's it. This procedure will applicable for all the product support. Okay, for all the product we want to use this procedure to raise the Redhat case. Okay, so this video is not for experienced people. This is for like a beginner who don't have experience with this kind of things, so you guys can get some idea. That's it. Okay guys, once again we'll meet in some other video. Okay, bye.